Imagine a tank that sees the battlefield like a human commander, reacts in milliseconds, and coordinates every move with deadly precision. Today, we're diving deep into Israel's revolutionary battle management systems that are redefining modern armored warfare. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an inside look at Israel's smart tanks and their groundbreaking battle management systems. These systems are not just about firepower, they're about intelligence, coordination, and battlefield dominance. Israeli armored forces have integrated advanced software, sensor networks, and communication platforms into their tanks, allowing them to operate more efficiently than ever before. Unlike traditional tanks, which rely heavily on individual crew decisions, these smart tanks can collect real-time data from multiple sources, drones, satellites, and other units, and process it instantly. This gives commanders unprecedented situational awareness, making every movement more strategic and every shot more precise. The synergy between human operators and AI-driven systems transforms each tank into a force multiplier, capable of influencing the battlefield far beyond its physical presence. We'll explore how these systems enhance targeting, navigation, and defensive measures, while also reducing the risk to soldiers inside. By understanding the mechanics behind Israel's battle management systems, we can see how technology is reshaping modern warfare and why these tanks are considered some of the most advanced armored vehicles in the world. Stay tuned as we break down every element of this smart warfare revolution, from sensors and fire control to communication networks and battlefield coordination, and uncover what makes these tanks truly smart. At the heart of Israel's smart tank technology lies its sophisticated sensor network. These tanks are equipped with advanced radar, infrared, and thermal imaging systems that can detect threats in real time, day or night. Unlike older models, which relied solely on visual spotting, these sensors allow the tank to identify enemy vehicles, infantry, and even low-flying drones at remarkable distances. The system doesn't just passively observe, it actively analyzes the data and prioritizes threats based on proximity, speed, and potential danger. Integrated AI algorithms calculate the best course of action, suggesting maneuvers or firing solutions to the crew. This reduces human error and significantly improves reaction times, which can be the difference between life and death on the battlefield. Additionally, these sensors are networked across the armored unit, meaning one tank can share data with others in real time. This collective awareness ensures that every unit operates in sync, anticipating enemy movements before they happen. In practice, this makes the Israeli Armored Corps much more agile and lethal. We'll also see how these sensors feed into the tank's fire control system, improving accuracy even under extreme conditions, and how battlefield data is constantly updated to provide a comprehensive view that no single soldier could achieve alone. Israel's emphasis on real-time intelligence is what truly sets their tanks apart. Another critical element of Israel's battle management systems is their advanced communication network. These tanks don't operate in isolation. They are part of an integrated command and control system that connects ground units, drones, and even air support. Through secure digital links, every vehicle on the battlefield can share its position, status, and detected threats with the entire unit. This networked approach ensures that commanders can make informed decisions quickly, coordinating attacks or defensive maneuvers with precision. Unlike traditional radio systems, which can be slow or vulnerable to interference, modern battle management networks are encrypted and resistant to jamming, making them highly reliable in contested environments. The system also allows for automatic task allocation. If one tank identifies a high priority target, nearby units can adjust their positions or focus fire without waiting for orders. This decentralized intelligence dramatically improves operational efficiency and reduces the cognitive load on human crews. Furthermore, commanders can use real-time battlefield simulations to anticipate enemy movements, adapting strategies on the fly. Essentially, the communication network turns individual tanks into nodes of a larger intelligence system where information flows seamlessly and actions are coordinated with pinpoint accuracy. This level of integration is what transforms Israel's armored units into a cohesive, near autonomous fighting force that can dominate complex combat scenarios. Fire control is another area where Israel's smart tanks shine. The battle management system constantly calculates ballistic trajectories, wind speed, target movement, and even ammunition type to provide the crew with the most accurate firing solution possible. Advanced stabilization systems ensure that shots remain precise even when the tank is moving over rough terrain. Unlike older systems where gunners had to manually adjust for every variable, modern tanks rely on AI-assisted targeting to maximize hit probability. This technology is especially effective in urban warfare, where rapid changes in environment and multiple targets create chaotic conditions. The system can prioritize threats, suggesting the optimal target based on threat level, distance, and strategic importance. Moreover, the integration of thermal and night vision sensors allows for highly accurate engagement in low visibility scenarios, ensuring effectiveness at any time of day. When combined with the communication network, a tank can coordinate fire with other units, concentrating firepower on a single target or covering multiple threats simultaneously. This synergy between sensors, AI, and human crew creates a level of precision that is unmatched by traditional tanks. By automating complex calculations and providing actionable insights, Israel's battle management systems make each tank both smarter and deadlier, enabling crews to operate with unprecedented confidence and efficiency on the battlefield. Navigation and situational awareness are crucial in modern armored warfare, and Israel's battle management systems excel in this domain. These tanks are equipped with GPS integration, terrain mapping, and real-time environmental analysis to optimize movement and positioning. The system continuously monitors terrain conditions, potential obstacles, and enemy positions, guiding the tank along the safest and most effective paths. This reduces the risk of ambushes and allows forces to maneuver in highly contested areas with confidence. The AI can even predict likely enemy ambush points based on historical data and battlefield analysis, alerting crews before danger arises. Furthermore, these tanks can communicate their planned routes to nearby units, preventing collisions and ensuring synchronized movements across the battlefield. Digital overlays inside the tank provide crews with comprehensive maps, threat indicators, and movement suggestions, all updated in real time. This combination of navigation and situational awareness allows commanders to execute complex operations with minimal risk and maximum efficiency. By integrating advanced sensors, real-time data, and predictive AI, Israel's tanks maintain superior operational awareness, making them not only offensive powerhouses, but also highly survivable on the modern battlefield. Defensive capabilities are equally enhanced by Israel's battle management systems. Active protection systems, or APS, work hand in hand with sensors and AI to detect incoming projectiles and automatically deploy countermeasures. Whether it's an anti-tank missile or a rocket-propelled grenade, the system can neutralize threats before they strike. These countermeasures range from explosive interceptors to electronic jamming devices that confuse the guidance systems of incoming missiles. Beyond physical defenses, the battle management system can suggest evasive maneuvers, directing the tank to optimal positions that reduce exposure. The system also coordinates with nearby units, sharing threat information to ensure the whole formation is protected. This network defense capability dramatically increases survivability in high-intensity conflicts. Unlike older tanks, which rely primarily on armor, smart tanks actively anticipate and respond to threats in real time, turning defensive operations into an intelligent, proactive process. Additionally, the crew receives continuous updates and alerts, allowing them to react quickly and make informed tactical decisions. Israel's integration of active protection and AI-driven threat assessment represents a paradigm shift in armored vehicle design, combining technology, intelligence, and human expertise to create one of the most resilient tank platforms in the world. One of the most remarkable aspects of Israel's smart tanks is their integration with unmanned systems. Drones play a crucial role in reconnaissance, target identification, and battlefield surveillance. The battle management system allows tanks to receive live feeds from drones, providing real-time intelligence without exposing the tank to direct threats. This aerial support extends the tank's operational reach and improves accuracy when engaging distant targets. Additionally, the system can process data from multiple drones simultaneously, creating a comprehensive three-dimensional map of the battlefield. This capability is especially useful in complex terrain, such as urban areas or mountainous regions where line of sight can be limited. By combining drone intelligence with onboard sensors, the tank can make informed decisions faster than ever before. This synergy between manned and unmanned systems exemplifies modern network-centric warfare, where every unit contributes to a shared understanding of the battlefield. Israel's smart tanks leverage these technologies to maintain superiority, coordinate attacks, and minimize risk to personnel. In essence, the combination of AI, sensors, and drones transforms the tank from a standalone machine into a highly connected, multi-dimensional platform capable of dominating modern combat environments. Maintenance and logistics are often overlooked but are vital to the effectiveness of smart tanks. Israel's battle management systems include predictive maintenance features which monitor the health of critical components in real time. Sensors track engine performance, track integrity, and ammunition status, alerting crews to potential failures before they occur. This reduces downtime and ensures tanks remain combat ready for longer periods. The system can even suggest preventive measures or reroute the tank to maintenance hubs when necessary. In addition, battle management software helps optimize fuel consumption, ammunition usage, and crew workload, ensuring resources are used efficiently. This proactive approach to logistics and maintenance is crucial during extended operations or high-intensity conflicts. By minimizing unexpected breakdowns and optimizing performance, Israel ensures that its armored units maintain operational superiority. The integration of predictive analytics into tank operations represents a significant technological leap, turning logistical challenges into manageable, data-driven processes. Essentially, these tanks are designed to think ahead, not just in combat, but in sustaining their own effectiveness on the battlefield. Training and human integration play a critical role in maximizing the potential of Israel's smart tanks. While AI handles calculations and suggestions, human crews remain central to decision-making. The battle management system is designed to support, not replace, soldiers. Crew members receive training to interpret system data, prioritize targets, and execute strategies effectively. Simulators replicate real-world combat scenarios, allowing crews to practice using AI-assisted features in controlled environments. This ensures that soldiers are familiar with the system's capabilities and limitations, bridging the gap between technology and human intuition. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, with clear visual displays and automated alerts that minimize cognitive overload during combat. By combining advanced technology with skilled operators, Israel achieves a synergy that enhances both efficiency and lethality. The system empowers crews to act decisively while AI handles calculations, threat assessments, and communication tasks. This human-machine collaboration represents the future of armored warfare, where technology amplifies human capability rather than replacing it. In conclusion, Israel's smart tanks and their battle management systems represent a revolution in armored warfare. Through a combination of advanced sensors, AI, integrated communication networks, drone support, and predictive maintenance, these tanks operate with a level of intelligence and coordination previously unseen. The result is a force that is faster, more precise, and more resilient than traditional armored units. Human crews remain at the core, interpreting AI-generated data and executing strategies, while technology handles calculations, threat assessment, and network coordination. This synergy allows Israeli armored units to dominate complex combat scenarios, anticipate enemy movements, and minimize casualties. From defensive countermeasures to offensive precision strikes, the battle management system ensures that every tank operates as part of a larger, intelligent network. As modern warfare continues to evolve, Israel's smart tanks provide a blueprint for the future of armored operations, demonstrating how technology and human expertise can combine to create a lethal and adaptable fighting force. Understanding these systems offers valuable insights into the strategic advantage provided by intelligent, networked armored vehicles and highlights why Israel remains at the forefront of modern military innovation. If you found this breakdown of Israel's smart tanks fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think the next generation of smart tanks will look like?